Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what I've done previously. If you are new watching this video for the first time, just please know that this is part of my tutorial series how to make a passcode system for our game. There is a door like this. I can enter. No, I cannot go close enough to the door and to enter the passcode. If I enter the wrong passcode, I will quit this passcode dialog, and then I can go somewhere, for example, to examine this dead body. And when I am getting close to this dead body, I will see a note. Right now this note is just a piece of paper with no note in it. It is blank paper, and in this video I'm going to show the correct passcode in this note. So after reading this note, player can go back to the door to enter the correct passcode. If the player cannot remember the passcode, the player needs to go back here to read the note again. Okay, if you did not watch my previous videos, just click the link in the description of this video. It is a playlist link of this tutorial series. Alright guys, what I'm going to do now is to edit my passcode script. It is here. I will try to edit the passcode script. What I'm going to do is to move this random passcode generator, which is this line. I will move it somewhere. In this case, I have a script. I call it game manager script. It is here. Script game manager. I'm going to place the passcode script here. No, random passcode code here. I will move it this way. The correct passcode, first thing to do is to delete this boolean variable, and I'm going to move this line, cut and paste it here. Then I will move this if statement. I will just cut this line and place it here in the game manager on the start function. And it is if statement, I don't need it. I will just need this one line of code. Correct passcode is blah blah blah, and then in the start it will generate the correct passcode. Then here in the passcode system script, I will here, if you check this variable right now, the correct passcode variable, it is not here anymore. It is inside this game manager script. So to access the correct passcode, I need to type here game manager dot instance dot correct passcode, and let me go back to the Unity. Unity editor. I will try to run the game. Now I'm running the game, guys. Here inside this game manager object, I have something in this game manager script, which is the correct passcode variable. If I go back to main menu, or yeah, let me just go here to this door. I can enter the correct passcode, which is defined when the game was started before the main menu. I can enter the correct passcode. Let me just enter the wrong passcode, and then I will try to enter it again. 636394. 636394, the correct passcode. And the next thing that I'm going to do is to place this passcode number here in the note, that the player will find here on the dead body. Here I will put the correct passcode here, and the player will read and memorize the passcode, and then the player should go there to the locked door. So I will edit my prefab with that piece of paper. It is here, and simply I will create a text element. I will rename this one to paper. I will add a UI text here, legacy text, and I will move it here, resize the text, the font size, rotate it this way, and okay. And for example, let's type 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's nice. And to display the passcode here, we need a simple script. I'm going to create a new script here. I will place it in this folder. I will name the script correct passcode. In this correct passcode, I will type just one single line, not one single line, a few lines of code. First of all, I will use the Unity engine.ui, and then here I will type get component text dot text. The correct passcode should be the same thing as this variable game manager.instance.correct passcode. That's all. And then I need to attach this script here on the text object, this one. Just drag and drop the correct passcode script here, just place it here, and we are done. Let's go back to start the game. The passcode will be different from that one that we had previously, because each time we play the game, the new random passcode will be generated. Let's say the player cannot figure out what is the passcode, and then player try to examine this dead body, and the player found the passcode 6666111. Oh, nice number, 666 and 111, easy to memorize. 666 and 111. I can see the passcode here because it is in unit editor, and then here I will enter the correct passcode 666 and 111. Tada! Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.